Today in this session we shall be discussing about the meaning of standard costing, and then we shall move forward to solving a few numericals related to standard costing. So now coming to the topic, what is standard costing? So standard costing, it is a technique of cost accounting. So the first thing is, it is a technique of cost accounting. Now, what is this technique of cost accounting? What does this particular technique do? This particular technique, it compares the standard cost of each product and service. What it does? It compares the standard cost of each product or service with actual costs. So now, why does it compare the standard cost of each product or service with actual costs? The purpose is to determine the efficiency of operations, to determine the efficiency of operations, whether the operations or the activity has been adequately performed or not, and to provide remedies. So if it is found that the activity had not been appropriately performed, okay, so then what kind of remedies has to be provided is brought out with the help of standard costing process. Okay, so there is a technique of cost accounting which compares the standard cost of each product or service with the actual costs of such product or service to determine the efficiency of operations and provide remedies. Okay, so there is a specific procedure in which we perform the particular process, okay, or the technique. So while we do the numericals, we shall be discussing about those techniques. At the board, this is a short numerical related to calculation of variance. Okay, so you have to calculate material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance, and then you have the question provides you with the standard quantity, the actual quantity, the standard rate, and the actual rate per kg. Okay, so the standard quantity is 40 kg, the actual quantity is 48 kg, the standard rate is 10 kg, rupees 10 per kg, and the actual is rupees 12 per kg. Okay, so you have to calculate the material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance. So while calculating variation or variance, there are specific formula, and using that formula we can calculate the variance. Okay, so the first is the material cost variance. So whether we have any variance in calculating our material cost. So the formula is standard quantity into standard rate minus actual quantity into actual rate. Standard quantity into standard rate minus actual quantity into actual rate. So what is the standard quantity? You see, quantity, standard, and actual. Standard quantity is 40, actual quantity is 40. Standard rate is 10, actual rate is 12. So standard quantity, I repeat, standard quantity is 40, standard rate is 10, minus actual quantity is 48, actual rate is 12. Okay, so we can derive the material cost variance by applying this formula. So it is 400 minus 576. Okay, and then the amount comes as 176. Since it is negative, we write it as unfavorable. Okay, so this is the technique of calculating the material cost variance. Next, we will calculate material price variance. Okay, So again, material price variance also has a specific formula for calculation. Okay, so it is actual quantity into standard rate minus actual rate. Actual quantity into standard rate minus actual rate. So actual quantity, if you look at the question, actual quantity is 48, standard rate is 10, actual rate is 12. So 48 into minus 2. So you get 96. It will be negative, so you will write it again as unfavorable. So if the figure is in negative, you shall be taking up as unfavorable. Okay, it is not in favor of the managerial efficiency. And then the third one is material usage variance. Material usage variance. Again, material usage variance also has a specific formula. It is standard rate into actual quantity minus standard rate into standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard rate into standard quantity minus actual quantity. So standard rate, actual standard quantity, actual quantity. So all the informations are again here. So standard rate is 10 into standard quantity is 40 and actual quantity is 48. So it is 10 into minus 8. So again it is negative. So we write 80 unfavorable. So here all the three variances, that is material cost variances, material price variance and material usage variance, all of them are unfavorable. Okay, so I believe this is a short and very simple numerical related to standard costing. I hope this first numerical is clear to all of you. So we have this as the next numerical related to standard costing. Okay, the earlier numerical was a very simple one. It is also very simple, but with slight adjustments that you need to deal with in this particular numerical. So let's read the question. A furniture manufacturer uses Sunmica tops for tables. Find out usage variance, price variance and cost variance with the information given. It says standard quantity of Sunmica per table. Okay, it requires one table requires 4 square feet of Sunmica. Then it says standard price per square feet of Sunmica. The standard price per square feet is 5 rupees. Actual production of tables, you are making 1000 tables. Then the Sunmica actually used is 4300 square feet. And the actual price, the actual purchase price of Sunmica per square feet is 5.50. Okay, so we all know that standard costing or calculation of variance is very formula specific. So we need what? We need standard quantity, we need standard rate, we need actual quantity and we need the actual rate. So let us move forward with this question and let us see that whether we have the information or not. Okay, so we need standard and actual quantity and rate. So what we'll do is that first of all we will try to see if we have the requisite information. Okay, say we'll do it like the previous one, standard and actual. Then we'll check for the quantity and the rate. So now first of all we will ensure whether we have the information or not. So let's check into the question. Do we have the standard quantity? Standard quantity of Sunmica per table is 4 square feet. Standard quantity total is not given. Actual production is given 1000. You don't have it. Then do you have the actual quantity? We will just check if you have the actual quantity. See, Sunmica actually used. Sunmica actually used is the actual quantity, that is 4300. Do you have the actual rate? Actual purchase price of Sunmica per square feet 5.50. So we have the actual rate, that is 5.50. Do you have the standard rate? Standard price per square feet of Sunmica 5 rupees. So this is the standard rate. So what is missing is the standard quantity. So first of all we have to find out the standard quantity, because only when we find out the standard quantity we can proceed with the numerical. So now you see, given in the question is standard quantity of sunmica per table. We have what? Standard quantity of sunmica per table. So per table it is how much? 4 square feet. So per table square sunmica requirement is 4 square feet. And how many tables are being manufactured? Actual production of tables is equal to how many? Is equal to 1000. You are making 1000 tables. So therefore, standard quantity will obviously be 1000 into 4, that is 4000. So 4000 in this is the standard quantity. So now we can fill this information here, that is 4000. Now since we have the standard quantity also, we can very easily proceed with the numerical. So now we need to find out, the first thing is we need to find out the usage variance. Okay, so first of all we will find out material usage variance. So the formula of material usage variance is standard rate into standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard rate is 5, standard quantity is 4000, actual quantity is 4300. So again we will find that this particular figure will be negative 5 into minus 300, that is negative 1500. So we will write unfavorable 1500. Next we will have material price variance. The formula for material price variance is actual quantity into standard rate minus actual rate. So actual quantity you have 4300, standard rate is 5, actual rate is 5.50. So 5 minus 5.50. So 4300 into minus 0.50. Okay, so the amount of material price variance is also in negative. It will come up to be 2150. Since the value is negative, we will write unfavorable. So the third one is material cost variance. Material cost variance. So the formula for calculating material cost variance is standard quantity into standard rate minus actual quantity into actual rate. So standard quantity you have in the question, standard quantity is 4000, standard rate is 5, actual quantity is 4300, actual rate is 5.50. So this figure will also come up to be, it will be negative. Okay, so it is 20,000 minus 23,650. So it comes 3,650. But this 3,650 is in negative, so we will mention it as unfavorable. Okay, so these are the three variances that we have calculated in this particular manner. So I hope this particular numerator is also clear to all of you. And if you have any confusion, you can call me, text me, or write in the comment section. Thank you.